Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript interview question and answer series. In today's episode, we'll learn about an important question that is often asked in almost all interviews. What is the difference between let, const and var? Absolutely important because you will hardly find any interview which they will not ask you this question. So let's learn more. I will also show you hands-on and explain you the details so that you get practical knowledge. So let's learn first the difference. Var declarations are globally scoped and let and const are always block scoped. Var variables can be updated and redeclared within its scope. Let variables can be updated but not redeclared. Const variables can neither be updated nor be redeclared. They're all hoisted at the top of their scope, which means while var variables are initialized with undefined, let and const variables are not initialized at all, right? These are the major differences that you need to explain in your interview. But always, whenever you attend any programming interview, it's always good to give an example. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you now. All right, so I have an empty script, right, tag. So I'm going to show you the JavaScript code here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to declare var a equal to 10 and function, I'm going to call it f1, right? Remember friends, this is exactly what you have to show and write when you are asked. This will show that you are confident in writing code. Now let's throw in a console.log and put the a, right? Similarly, inside the function, just put a console.log and say inside function plus a. All right, and we are going to call the function here, and we are going to call one more time log after the method. Okay, simple, nothing fancy. Just see, I have declared a variable by the name var equal to a equal to 10. So this is a variable, it has a global scope. I have a function where I'm printing a because I can access it anywhere inside. Then I'm just printing console.log a and for calling the function. Let's see the output. All right, so I've opened the browser here, so you can see 10 inside function 10 and then again 10 because I have one more console log, right? So I have these three are working fine for variable. Now let's see this. I'm going to add one more variable by the same name. You see here, I can redeclare it. I'm redeclaring and assigning new value. Let's see. You think it will give error? It will not, because these are globally scoped and they can be redeclared because they are var, right? Let's see that output. See, nothing. It's now just printing new value, which is 30, right? So what it means is that it's globally scoped. That means you can access it anywhere inside the function, outside, anywhere, right? And you can redeclare it. Also, I can change the value. I can say 30 plus a, right? So now the value will become 40 inside, and see here it has become 40 because I have worked on this a variable. So that is correct. So it has become 40. Now if you print again here, it would have modified the global value. So let's see. So see, now it is saying 40 because after function the value got updated to a, right? Here you did addition, that's why it is printing 40 here, and since you redeclared it, it is giving the value of a here 30. Okay, and remember friends, we are redeclaring, reassigning the variable which is var. That's why it is working. This is a very important difference between let and const also. Let's see that. Now here I'm going to print, going to say console.log value of b, right? So here we'll do the same. Just copy this, so you can see the difference, right? If you copy it, you will get error, right? You will get error. Why? Because you cannot redeclare the let value. Now make it let. you cannot redeclare the same variable. Okay, remember that. That is the difference of let, right? Let's see here. Now let b equal to 10. Here I am saying function b, and here I will make it b, here I'll make it f2, here I'll make it b. Okay, now let's just console log these and change the values quickly. So it's a basically same code with different variables, friends, so don't get confused. Okay, so now see, whatever was there in a, I have put the same with b. Okay, so now I have let b equal to 10 and a method which is just adding again, right? So here, till here it is same, till here it will work, till here it will work, it will not work here, it will fail here because let you cannot redeclare. Let's see that identifier b has already been declared, right? Now that is the difference, main difference between var and let. Now if I just uncomment this line, it will work, right? So f, not f2 1, it's f, okay, 2. Now see, this code is perfectly fine now because I commented this line which is redeclaring of the same variable which has been already been declared. All right, now let's do the same exercise for C. Now we will do with const, so we will get multiple errors. Okay, now we will get multiple errors because you cannot redeclare the value of const. Okay, so this is wrong, you cannot reassign it here, it is wrong, and you cannot redeclare it also. Okay, just a minute, let me make it C here. Okay, so here I have f3. Okay, clear? So far simple. Now we have the new values of C where we are declaring it as a const, right? Now const is nothing but you cannot redeclare, you cannot reassign the value. Here we are changing the values in let, but you cannot redeclare, right? With const, neither you can redeclare nor can you reassign it. Let's see, get ready for errors. Assignment to const variable, right? That means constant variable you cannot assign the value, right? You can only read only. So let's see, now we fixed one error, right? And we are able to do that. Now let's say I want to redeclare, it will again give me error, right? Let's see, it will say C has already been declared because you cannot redeclare, you cannot reassign. That's the important difference between var, let and const, right? I hope you will be able to confidently answer this question when you are asked next time, right? You can redeclare, like you can redeclare var, I showed you that example, right? You can say let a equal to, here you can declare for var, but b let and const you cannot. Okay, so go through this example carefully, understand. Guys, always remember, in interviews they will ask you the basic fundamentals. If you get it right, you are absolutely through. If you don't have a solid foundation of JavaScript, you are bound to fluctuate because you will go up and down, right? So let's not do that. I am here to help you guide through it and make sure that you will succeed. So keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned to the channel. I will bring you daily one interview question. That way you can prepare well and crack that interview you are targeting. Thank you so much, friends, for joining. I'll see you tomorrow with a new question. Thank you. Bye.